let's get into a problem that involves finding the lowest common denominator. Okay, so let's say we wanted to find the lowest common denominator, which is also represented as the LCD. That's the acronym. And a lot of times you'll be asked to find the lowest common denominator when given two fractions. So let's say we're given fraction 4 and 27, 4 over 27, and we're given 5 over 18. And we want to find the lowest common denominator that exists between these two numbers, 27 and 18. Those are your denominators. The way you do this is what we're going to do is we're going to generate a list of multiples, okay, for this denominator and this denominator, and then we're going to see what multiples, which multiple is the lowest one that's a value that's in common. And whatever that is, that will be our LCD. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll draw a line and we'll generate our multiples. And I'm just going to write that here. I'm going to generate multiples in this section in green. So we want to find the multiples of 27 and the multiples of 18. What you do is you use counting numbers and you multiply counting numbers times your numbers. So you got 1 times 27, of course, which is 27. 2 times 27, which is 54. I'm going to stop right there. Usually you can keep going, and sometimes you may need to keep going. But let's go over here. 1 times 18 equals 18. 2, that's a counting number, times 18 equals 36. 3 times 18 equals 54. Aha! What do we see? We see two multiples that are the same, or the lowest common denominator, okay? So we conclude that our LCD equals 54. Now, this can be helpful when you're trying to, let's say we were trying to add these two fractions with different denominators, and we needed to get a common denominator, okay? I'm going to talk about that next week, how you can take that LCD, and that can help you to be able to add fractions with different denominators. But we're not going to deal with that right now. We'll just stop right there. At least you know how to find the lowest common denominator.